What's up everybody? Now this is a super exciting video because today we are here at London Heathrow Airport and I'm super excited. We are here at Myrtle Avenue here, ready to do some plane spotting. Let's hope we get some good planes. A320 coming in from Prague. Dreamliner coming in, London Heathrow approach, beautiful plane. WestJet 787, beautiful plane, lovely landing there. Oh wow. British Airways A350, another beautiful plane coming in from San Diego. Should enjoy this. What a lovely plane. Phenomenal aircraft. Wow. Look at those winglets as well. Here we are. Boeing 777 coming in from Tel Aviv on airlines. Wow, I love this livery. I love it. Oh, it's a 787. 777. Apologies. Alright, now this is a rare one at Heathrow, a Boeing 737 coming in from Amsterdam with KLM. Hope it doesn't crash. Wow. Lovely. Nice approach. Bit high though. A BA Boeing 777 from Houston, Texas. What a beautiful aircraft. Look at those landing gears as well. Massive landing gears. Look at them. Look at them. Beautiful. So loud as well. Phenomenal. Virgin Atlantic A330. Not sure where it's coming in from. Probably America somewhere. Them landing gears. The butter machine. So loud as well. Smell the jet fumes. Amazing. A320 Air Serbia. What a nice plane. I love this livery. I love the design on the back. Beautiful. Wow. Phenomenal. Right, Finland. A320 is coming over Finnair. See that? It's going to come somewhere up here. There it is. Look at it. That's cool. Hey, here we have a 777 coming in from Cairo on Egypt Air. That is so loud. So loud. That. Wow. Nice approach as well. Change location slightly. I'm on the side of the road right now because right behind me is the path, so I'll be able to see them coming in right over the top of me. So the next one is an A320. Not sure where it's coming from. Forgot to check flight radar for this one, but here it comes. An American Airlines 777. Here we go. Nice approach, very steady. Whoa! Phenomenal. Look at those landing gears as well. Oh my lord. Oh my days, that was a nice approach. Wow, that was a nice approach. And touchdown. Lovely. Lovely. Here we are, a BA 777 coming in from Bangalore in India. Here it is. Look at those landing gears again. Oh my days, such a loud and beautiful plane. The Boeing 777, the classic. British Airways Dreamliner, what a lovely plane, coming in for quite a chill approach, as you can see. Look at those, nice close up there. Here we have an A320 from SAS, Scandinavian Airlines. Oh, that's a good shot of that. Oh wow, going into land. London Heathrow Airport, nice. Here is a Portugal tap, A320 coming in from Lisbon, I think. Sure, just take a guess. Beautiful. Got another 737 coming in very soon. I've just migrated over to a different part and we're going to watch some more planes land. A320 will give us a better view of the runway as well. Oh wow. Oh, that's much better. Wow, look at that. It's coming down. Oh my god, all of these vans. There it is. And it's gone. Wow. Phenomenal. Here's a Boeing 737. Nice plane. Very nice plane indeed. When it doesn't crash. See the landing, see the landing. Oh my god, these big lorries. And that's touchdown. See in the distance, the Concorde. Look at that, beautiful. Here is the Air India dreamliner coming in from Mumbai. Mumbai, India. Going in, lovely landing. Let's rate this. Full zoom. And touchdown, what a beautiful touchdown there. Nice. It's the United Dreamliner. Lovely, lovely plane indeed. Oh, a bit wobbly there. Oh. And touchdown, nice. So it's like a Lufthansa A320. Nice. Boeing 787 Dreamliner, Orlando, Florida. Coming in. Whoa, nice and quick that. Nice and quick. Get the landing, get the landing. And that's a nice one, that's a nice shot there. By the way, it is so cold right now. And you might be thinking, just leave. I've been here for almost an hour right now. But no. Guess why? We have a rare plane coming. We have the Dubai Expo in the bright blue A380 livery coming. I'm super excited for that. Let's wait for it and see it. The Delta A330, the butter machine, will it butter? I think that seemed pretty butter to me. Can't really tell from here, it was butter. Oh, what an A350. It's the A350. Nice. Nice plane there, nice plane. Now with Qatar Airlines, Dreamliner 777 coming from Doha. ATR 72600 from the Isle of Man. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at those propellers as well. A bit of a nosedive, slight nosedive. Wow, touchdown. Oh my goodness, Swiss Air A220. Look at that, look at those winglets. Wow, that's cool, that's a cool plane. Look at this one. Saudi Arabia livery, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, Boeing 787. Wow. This plane coming is the Dubai Expo A380. Super excited, let's watch this. Oh my word. A320 from Dubai. Oh my lord.